Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add domain in Zoho Mail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll want to head over to your Zoho Mail admin panel. To do this, simply visit the following URL in your web browser, mailadmin.zoho.com. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to log in. It's essential to use your Zoho Super Admin account for this process, as you'll need administrator privileges to make the necessary changes and additions. Once you're logged in, the next step is to add your desired domain. Look to the bottom of your screen. Within this section, there's an Add button that is typically represented by a ++ symbol. Click this to initiate adding a new domain to your account. Now, it's time to enter your domain name. This is the web address associated with your email, such as yourdomain.com. Make sure you enter this information accurately to avoid any issues with your email configuration later on. Once you've typed in your domain, click the Add button to proceed. At this point, Zoho will guide you through additional steps to verify your domain and set up DNS records. These steps are crucial for ensuring that your emails are properly routed through Zoho servers. While these instructions focus on getting your domain added initially, make sure to follow through with any other prompts or guides Zoho provides for a successful setup. And there you have it. You've now successfully added your domain to Zoho Mail. This setup allows you to manage your emails effectively within the Zoho ecosystem. And that's it. So that is how you can add domain in Zoho Mail. So that's all for this video. Thanks.